Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Conlog meter suddenly shows an RF con error and you are unsure why power related communication seems interrupted, it can absolutely become frustrating when the display suddenly changes without notification. Sometimes the Conlog meter keeps showing the RF con message for a long time, while other times the error appears randomly and disappears again. A problem like this can happen because of signal interruptions, communication issues, temporary meter glitches, or setup changes that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many Conlog RF con error situations can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Conlog RF con error. Try these. Step 1. Observe the display on the Conlog meter and confirm the RF con error stays active. Step 2. Check power connected to the Conlog meter if the display recently changed unexpectedly. Step 3. Inspect the area around the Conlog meter for anything affecting signal communication. Step 4. Wait briefly and allow the Conlog meter time to reconnect automatically if communication paused. Step 5. Restart power link with the Conlog meter carefully if the RF con error continues. Step 6. Recheck the Conlog meter and confirm the RF con message disappears normally.